Cardano value equivalent to 5.6401 rands a coin. The present cost range, 5.6254. 5.9807. The earlier day close, 5.8638. The change was 0.2237, 3.81%. Opposite rates, ZAR to ADA. Cardano cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Cardano cost forecast on Monday, walk 13, cost 5.97 rands, high 6.39. Low 5.55. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, walk 14, cost 5.75 rands, high 6.15, low 5.35. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 15, cost 5.48 rands, high 5.86, low 5.10. Cardano estimate on Thursday, walk 16, cost 5.61 rands, high 6.00, low 5.22. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, walk 17, cost 5.52 rands, high 5.91, low 5.13. In multi-week Cardano estimate on Monday, walk 20, cost 5.52 rands, high 5.91, low 5.13. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, walk 21, cost 5.44 rands, high 5.82. Low 5.06. Cardano estimate on Wednesday, walk 22, cost 5.30 rands, high 5.67, low 4.93. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, walk 23, cost 5.13 rands, high 5.49, low 4.77. Cardano estimate on Friday, walk 24, cost 5.25 rands, high 5.62. Low 4.88. In about 14 days Cardano cost forecast on Monday, walk 27, cost 5.09 rands, high 5.45, low 4.73. Cardano gauge on Tuesday, walk 28, cost 5.06 rands, high 5.41, low 4.71. Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 29, cost 5.16 rands, high 5.52. Low 4.80. Cardano gauge on Thursday, walk 30, cost 5.10 rands, high 5.46, low 4.74. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, walk 31, cost 4.89 rands, high 5.23, low 4.55. In 3 weeks Cardano gauge on Monday, April 3, cost 4.78 rands, high 5.11. Low 4.45. Cardano cost forecast on Tuesday, April 4, cost 4.79 rands, high 5.13, low 4.45. Cardano gauge on Wednesday, April 5, cost 4.68 rands, high 5.01, low 4.35. Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, April 6, cost 4.74 rands, high 5.07, low 4.41. Cardano gauge on Friday, April 7, cost 4.63 rands, high 4.95, low 4.31. In about a month Cardano cost forecast on Monday, April 10, cost 4.70 rands, high 5.03, low 4.37. Cardano estimate on Tuesday, April 11, cost 4.84 rands, high 5.18. Low 4.50. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Cardano cost expectation for walk 2023. To start with cost at 6.42 rands, exorbitant cost 6.73, while low cost 4.55. The found the middle value of cost 5.65. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 4.89. Change for spring 23.8%. Cardano estimate for April 2023. To start with cost at 4.89 rands, exorbitant cost 5.31, while low cost 3.82. The found the middle value of cost 4.53. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 4.11, change for April 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2023. At the outset cost at 4.11 rands, excessive cost 4.18, while low cost 3.64. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.96. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.91. Change for May 4.9%. Cardano conjecture for June 2023. At the outset cost at 3.91 rands, excessive cost 4.86, while low cost 3.91. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.31. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 4.54. Change for June 16.1%. Cardano cost expectation for July 2023. At the outset cost at 4.54 rands, excessive cost 4.54. While low cost 3.54. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.11. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.81. Change for July 16.1%. Cardano conjecture for August 2023. At the outset cost at 3.81 rands, excessive cost 3.81, while low cost 2.98. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.45. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.20. Change for August 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2023. Before all else cost at 3.20 rands, excessive cost 3.23, while low cost 2.81. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.07. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.02. Change for September 5.6%. Cardano conjecture for October 2023. Before all else cost at 3.02 rands, excessive cost 3.35, while low cost 2.91. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.10. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.13. Change for October 3.6%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2023. Before all else cost at 3.13 rands, excessive cost 3.13, while low cost 2.59. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.91. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.79. Change for November 10.9%. Cardano conjecture for December 2023. First and foremost cost at 2.79 rands, exorbitant cost 3.42, while low cost 2.79. The found the middle value of cost 3.05. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 3.20. Change for December 14.7%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2024. First and foremost cost at 3.20 rands, exorbitant cost 3.20, while low cost 2.50. The found the middle value of cost 2.90. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 2.69. Change for January 15.9%. Cardano estimate for February 2024. First and foremost cost at 2.69 rands, exorbitant cost 2.69, while low cost 2.10. The found the middle value of cost 2.44. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 2.26. Change for February 16.0%. Cardano cost expectation for WOC 2024. First and foremost cost at 2.26 rands, exorbitant cost 2.26, while low cost 1.77. The found the middle value of cost 2.05. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 1.90. Change for spring 15.9%. ZAR to ADA swapping scale equivalent to 0.1773 coins per 1 rand.